First was a left turn. The sound is more apparent when I make left turns than it is right turns, but I'll continue. You can see going straight, there's no sound at all. Making slight left, no sound. Coming to a stop, make a left turn, no clicking sounds at all. With semi full throttle acceleration, no sounds at all. I'm told it could be CV axles, but I'm not really too sure. 45 miles an hour, no sounds at all. But I was told it could be my CV axles. I was told it could be my motor mount. I was told it could be my sway bar end links. Car's 09 Audi A4. 034 Motorsports street density transmission mount, billet inserts for the transmission, the rear differential, actually both for the rear differential. I noticed the sound immediately right after I installed the transmission mount. Any input would be greatly appreciated. I'm not really too sure where to start with these. This is my first Audi, so thank you.